TikTok training. Alessandro Zamboni's TikTok empire. TikTok training, the new social media is here. Discover the secret to free video views. Alessandro Zamboni always discovers new trends, and this time he is giving you access to the best step-by-step training on TikTok. TikTok is the new vertical video social network where you can find your exact audience and where you can grow a real community waiting for your videos. For any message you have to deliver, there will always be a lot of people watching your video and taking real action. It's an unbelievable step versus your independence from the old social networks, because with TikTok you can touch different people from the ones who stay on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. TikTok training. There are young guys who have a following of 130,000 people without paying a cent. Imagine the same on Facebook. It's impossible unless you pay a lot in ads. This is the power of a free platform like TikTok, where you can earn directly with your profile or with one of the additional methods provided. Go now and grab your copy of TikTok Empire. You will thank me later. Nowadays it's very hard to be seen in a world where every minute unlimited social media updates are posted. But if you look better at the world of social media, there's a new reality which is gathering the interests of users. It's TikTok. TikTok is a social media app for mobile phones where people can share vertical videos and get immediate free views by interested people. And the great thing is you can monetize your presence on TikTok in 6 ways which Alessandro Zamboni shows you. And each time you are added to favorites, your videos go in rotation and are viewed by people. If you consider it that each user spends around 52 minutes on the app, there are a lot of chances to be seen. Videos are very easy to record because you can choose between the 15-second version and the 60-second one, depending on the message you want to deliver or on what you want to show. It's your time now. Start using a social media that rewards you. Go grab TikTok Empire now. Alessandro Zamboni's TikTok Empire.